Good afternoon, everybody. We are Kuray, a group of 3 students of the National University of Engineering, and we want to present our solution. What is it about? Have you ever thought that Peru is not only one of the first exportators of copper, but also one of the first exportators of superfoods such as blueberries, asparagus, mango, grapes, cacao, quinoa, and avocado? Have you seen the news recently? We are the first exportator of almost the majority of all of these superfoods, and we're really proud of it. We have recently heard that Peru has inaugurated the megaport of Chancay. What does this mean for us? This means that the Peruvian producers are going to have a bigger market to sell their products, and this will also increase their revenue. We saw in 2021 that the growth of exportations from the food sector to the European Union in 2021 was of the 13%, and we didn't have the megaport back then. So can you imagine what will happen from now on? We have, and we think that one of the main problems that the producers are going to have is the planning of the production for agro-industrial products. And this is why we are going to implement big data for taking these decisions. We have assembled this technical structure to resolve this problem, and we're going to have data intake that is going to be structured and non-structured from different sources. We're going to take government sources such as SUNAT, historical data of agricultural exports in the past. We're going to take Huawei products such as OBS, climate, and satellite data, and we're also going to take climate change news to help the producers take the right decisions when deciding what and when to produce the products they normally do. We're going to use Huawei products such as OBS and Insights to be able to make SQL queries to the information. We're going to also use Huawei products in the processing of the data using data arc and stream processing for climate data. And we are going to present all of this information using ECS servers such as API servers and web dashboards. We, as Kuray, want to help the producer to make the right decision in the right time so as to have the most revenue possible and help Peru. We, with Kuray, can discover the future demand for grape due to these events. Which type of events? Droughts. And we can also take not only climate information, but also news information because we take structured and not structured data. So who are going to be interested in our solutions? Exporters, governments, logistic companies, farmers. And how are we gonna sell our products? We are gonna sell it as a software as a service, but not only under subscription, but also throughout advertising in the own web page. We are also going to make revenue throughout consulting and commissions. What is our plan? In the first 6 months, we're going to take as much data as we can, and we are going to design and crop our architecture. Then we're going to integrate the initial data, and we are going to run pilot tests in Ica, Piura, and La Libertad. In the third phase, we're gonna look for logistic optimization and certification, and we are going to start our initial marketing plans in Peru. And for the last phase, when almost 2 years have passed, we're gonna seek out opportunities to expand to other countries who are also benefiting from these megaports, such as Chile, Brazil, Argentina, and other countries that are nearby our Peru. In order to help farmers, we present the 3 key features of Kuray. The first one being the crowdsourcing of plague reporting, allowing farmers to share information of pest issues. The second one is the maps that we have to provide relevant news and information about pest outbreaks and climatic phenomena. And the third one is the data-informed agriculture, which provides recommendations based on geographical location and global trends to farmers to be able to make the most profit possible. We are Kuray, and we are the solution for for producers to take the right decisions in the right time using big data and Huawei products. Thank you so much.